Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up the unused app settings on Android. So here, what you need to do first is open the settings app on your Android device, and then you can just scroll down until you find the apps. Click on apps, and in here if you scroll down there will be this unused apps option, so just click on that to set it up. Here there is no unused app, so if you want to set the settings, you can just click on the apps, the certain apps that you want to set its unused app settings. So for example, I'm going to click on this Mevo apps. Here you can see, if you scroll down there will be this unused app settings, so you can just enable this option. You can see that this is turned on. So by enabling the unused app setting, you can pause app activity if it's unused, so it might help you to save your battery power, because it will remove permissions, delete temporary files, and stop notification when it is unused. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.